Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is Hotel Riu Negril in beautiful Jamaica. Nestled on the pristine shores of Bloody Bay, this recently renovated 5-star all-inclusive resort is ready to sweep you off your feet and into the lap of Caribbean luxury. So grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore what makes this Jamaican gem shine. Let's kick things off with the accommodations, shall we? Hotel Riu Negril has undergone a major facelift, and boy, does it show. The resort now boasts 600 fully refurbished rooms that are brighter than a Jamaican sunset. Picture this, you walk into your room, and it's like the island itself decided to move in. Natural tones, elegant furniture inspired by local culture, and enough space to do your best Bob Marley impression without disturbing the neighbors. But wait, there's more. They've added 28 swim-up rooms for those of you who like to roll out of bed and straight into the pool. Talk about living the dream. Now, let's talk about the room types. You've got your standard rooms, which are anything but standard. They're decked out with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a 5-star joint. Air conditioning to keep you cool as a cucumber. Flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that sunshine. And minibars that are refilled daily because, let's face it, vacation calories don't count. But the real showstoppers are those swim-up rooms we mentioned earlier. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while dipping your toes in your very own pool. It's like having a VIP pass to relaxation. And for those of you who like to go big or go home, there are suites available too. While we don't have the exact details on these bad boys, you can bet they're spacious enough to host your own little dance party. One thing's for sure, no matter which room type you choose, you're in for a treat. Most rooms come with balconies or terraces, perfect for soaking up those breathtaking Caribbean views. And let's not forget about the Wi-Fi. It's free and available throughout the resort, so you can make all your friends back home jealous with your Vaki pics in real time. The maximum occupancy is usually up to 4 guests per room, including children, making it a great option for families or groups of friends looking to share the good times. Now let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without some good eats? While we don't have the specific names of the restaurants at Hotel Riu Negril, they're keeping us in suspense, the cheeky devils. We can tell you that this place is a foodie's paradise. Picture multiple restaurants offering international buffet options that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. We're talking about a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you're feeling a bit fancy, there are specialty a la carte venues that'll knock your socks off. Imagine savoring authentic Jamaican cuisine while the warm Caribbean breeze ruffles your hair. Or how about some Mediterranean delights that'll transport you straight to the shores of Italy or Greece? The options are as varied as they are delicious. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a Caribbean vacation without a fruity cocktail in hand? There are swim-up bars near the pools, serving up cocktails and light snacks throughout the day. So you can literally swim up to the bar, order a piña colada, and float away in blissful relaxation. It's like a lazy river, but with booze. Now, while we don't have the exact operating hours or dress codes for the restaurants, it's safe to say they follow the typical all-inclusive resort standards. That means casual during the day, because who wants to wear a tie when they're lounging by the pool, and smart casual for dinner. So pack that one nice outfit you've been saving for a special occasion. You're going to need it. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Hotel Riu Negril. This place is practically a water wonderland. They've got several pools, including those newly added swim-up areas we mentioned earlier. Imagine lounging in crystal clear water, sipping on a tropical cocktail, and soaking up the Jamaican sun. It's like being in a postcard, but better because you're actually there. But the real star of the show is Bloody Bay Beach. Don't let the name fool you. There's nothing gruesome about this slice of paradise. We're talking about a sandy beachfront known for its calm waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. It's a kind of place where you can spend hours just floating in the warm Caribbean Sea, watching the clouds drift by overhead. And for those of you who like a bit more action with your beach time, you're in luck. While we don't have the exact details, it's typical for resorts like this to offer water sports like kayaking, snorkeling, and windsurfing. So whether you want to explore the underwater world or catch some waves, there's something for everyone. Of course, no beach experience would be complete without the essentials. Hotel Riu Negril has got you covered with loungers, umbrellas, and towel service. So all you need to bring is your sunscreen and a good book. Oh, and maybe a sense of adventure for when you decide to try paddleboarding for the first time. Now let's talk about activities because there's more to do at Hotel Riu Negril than just work on your tan, although that's a perfectly acceptable way to spend your vacation. While we don't have the specifics on their fitness center, it's safe to assume they've got all the standard gym equipment you need to keep up with your workout routine. But let's be real, who wants to spend their vacation on a treadmill when you could be jogging along the beach? For those looking to really unwind, the spa is where it's at. Again, we don't have the exact details, but RIU resorts are known for offering a range of treatments that'll leave you feeling more relaxed than a sloth on a Sunday. We're talking massages that'll make you forget what stress even is, facials that'll have you glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun, and body wraps that'll make you feel like a new person. And while we can't confirm it, there's a good chance they've got a sauna and steam room too. Because nothing says vacation like sweating out all your worries. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Hotel Riu Negril knows how to keep the party going with their entertainment options. While we don't have the exact schedule, they like to keep us on our toes. You can expect live music performances that'll have you swaying to the rhythm of Jamaica. And let's not forget about the themed party nights, because who doesn't love a good costume party in paradise? Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you're in for a treat. While we don't have the specifics on their kids club, it's typical for RIU resorts to offer supervised activities that'll keep the kiddos entertained while you sneak off for some adult time. From arts and crafts to beach games, your little ones will be having so much fun they might not want to leave. But let's say you want to venture beyond the resort, although with all these amenities, we wouldn't blame you if you never left. Hotel Riu Negril is perfectly positioned for exploring some of Jamaica's most iconic attractions. Just a short distance away is 7 Mile Beach, a stretch of sand so beautiful it'll make your heart skip a beat. And for the thrill seekers among you, Rick's Cafe is about 10 kilometers away. It's a popular spot for cliff diving and live music, so you can get your adrenaline fix and your groove on all in one place. Now let's talk about what really makes Hotel Riu Negril stand out from the crowd. First off, that extensive renovation we mentioned earlier, it's not just a fresh coat of paint. We're talking about a complete overhaul that's brought this resort firmly into the 21st century, while still maintaining that laid-back Jamaican charm. The addition of those swim-up rooms is a game changer, offering a level of luxury that's hard to beat. But it's not just about the fancy new digs. What really sets Hotel Riu Negril apart is its ability to cater to a wide range of travelers. Whether you're a couple looking for a romantic getaway, a family in need of some quality time together, or a group of friends ready to party, this place has got you covered. It's like the Swiss Army knife of resorts, versatile, reliable, and always there when you need it. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.